Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Hey, it's here for Ayasem Papa. Ensema eguso eko. Wo hwe de eba from EC ensema wo mo aka ene de eko na ensema eguso ko. Now, the say National Peace Council wo mo panyi ba ko aba bonten de ensema ba betudwa. Say some members of the National Peace Council wo mo yomadwen say wo mo ko say John Dramani Mahama fie na wo mo ene na akokasa say elections minim de omo ne no but mimi su say wo mo ne no kokasa say won accept results na ayeden aba no de yate ene say from the boss of National Peace Council and Kasa say some of their members were attacked when they went to visit John Dramani Mahama. Mr. Remo, you see, when the whole thing was happening, me Melodies, me Babontin, Ebeka say, well, NDC for more kasa se yiriamo, more kasa se yiriamo. Kasa more kasa se yiriamo no. Mon show evidence bia into for me no. Until say me who evidence no. You don't expect me to accept say yiriamo. Until say Ndra John Dramani Mahama eba Babontin. We've seen some pictures of some pink sheets be. We've seen some explanations be. Eye data woho. Ama mekrano anopa we mama baba say, well, at this point, I understand what the NDC is claiming because Electoral Commission nankasa so ababonten abe shooting who in the foot. Electoral Commission ne babonten asem obeka and say results now will declare yes, na errors be ewom. Electoral Commission nankasa o enye me Melodies na meka. Electoral Commission nankasa babonten ababeka say results now will declare na errors ewom. Now so errors na ewom no. Ye yifi mukrana, it will still not affect President Akufo-Addo winning. But uye errors nini na still President Akufo-Addo might be leading now, so the possibility of a runoff because uye errors no the auditing na NDC for ne kan sa nyama ni efimu a President Akufo-Addo might still be leading, but ebia na wankwa nkonya sa 50% ni ntino runoff a very high possibility. So me betina has say well, based on what the EC themselves, based on them admitting, based on them saying say yes, errors so ewo baby and the sense ni na any the NDC forces here more evidence of omo de aba. I feel say well, their claims are valid, but they should do the right thing. Maybe I made the story be bro temali. Send your Nkrofo sheshe nyama after John Dramani Mahama his speech no, because Nkrofo be who say well now they understand him well. But maybe the say you know the right thing to do. Nkrofo can't NSA. Well, it's also another matter for another day. But Samosha says some more kasa na will be in Tiasia. Now, if who the proof back, none back on the I mean, you should just appreciate, say, well, the person is willing to understand you people. I just called for evidence. Mr. NDC for Mr. Ramo, you can't just come and say that without showing evidence. Now, the EC itself came out to admit they had errors in the calculation. Womu declare, you know. I'm a Matthias, I said, well, NDC, I believe in your claims. NDC for B. Send your woman mediana for easy. NDC ni be some who dem go read this podcast na me here no. Send your NDC ni be aba be bo mediano. Say dey say ane say wo mo ka kire me no. Na me use me platform na me ka say NDC for mo ma asem nya de. Na afa me hu say wo mo asem ye de. Enu hu ntia wo say wo bo media. Enye enu mo na obe hu say oh, Melodies where they at least at this point you've shown say yes which ye asem ma what the year can say NNT NDC for hona na me bo media enkosi enkosi hwe ubo media enkosi because nyago program him say genuinely and they say ebia na me nim say NDC mo reasons no na ebia valid and amanka. I just said, say, well, there are more can you don't expect someone like me to just believe it. That's what I said. Until you provide proof, I I will not believe it. And that is exactly what I said. Until you provide proof, me Melody Samiti hey, I will not believe it. As someone me kind no. Nekra, mudi proof by na majia to say, well, your claims are valid. Inti di abona o ba bebo mi cause 90 enko si hu a wa bo ukrom o say den abrante ni di abo a wo bo mi wo say joje o say den masa me maka tro u free joje me baby am free me free no gokpo na me free no gokpo ko kleko e ho na me free inti se e ka na wo be ka tell say wo be you so ukrom bo so ma bo mi dia joje bo so a well let's see. Now aside me no go na me make us me free cry no. Aside that no dey friend no to nchen. Aside that no me am a Christian. Aside that no dey fa no cry e to nchen. When ya dey bia wo say yebodua. I understand say mubuefu. I understand say ya dey wo ho ma mubuefu. Yes, but e ya dey we ko be kan e obebo be e be ye den. We asem a e obebo me melodies dia. Oh, e asem o. Anyway, so let's go to that's just by the way anyway. Let's go to the reason why we actually na nipakona sama kind na me share that debate. So say the head of Peace Council me person me find the story no na me read it share more. The head of the Peace Council is claiming say some of their members went to visit John Dramani Mahama Ewonifie. Na womone na kasa I don't know what but me the margin ebubu ho a na omo person ne Mahama kwa kasa say on accept say e bia result no, so they are claiming say womo call Mahama fie no, some of them were attacked. Now let me read the story. This is from myjoyonline.com. I say Peace Council delegation attacked at NDC headquarters. Okay, Enya Mahama fie. Was say NDC headquarters. I am very sorry, Enya Mahama fie. Sebo te say make say Mahama fie, me sorry. Enya Mahama fie, NDC headquarters. So Peace Council were attacked at NDC headquarters. Now let me read the story from My Joy Online and Tremo. Now let's try to make sense. I'll say a delegation from the National Peace Council led by its chairman, Reverend Ernest Edujemfi, has been attacked at the NDC headquarters in Accra. Now, we'll say the delegation was on a visit to the headquarters of the NDC for a tete-a-tete with the party in connection with the release of the 2020 election results. The chairman of the council confirmed that upon arrival, irate NDC youth gathered at the forecourt of the party's headquarters met them with stones, gunshots, and other dangerous weapons, preventing them from accessing the premises. According to Reverend Edujemfi, the members of the delegation were physically manhandled and some beaten to a pulp. Wow. In addition, the agitated crowd further damaged 2 of the vehicles they were using and managed to destroy some of their personal effects. Not just a Peace Council for no. You see, your boomwa mattress as a crown for, or see they were beaten to a pulp. You tutu omuti so. Yes, say womo cast, any nyamabia womo kita. Mima oti say NDC headquarters and dry house again. Ghana were for some of their journalists, so they were attacked there by the youth. Miss Remo. I understand your view, I understand your point, but the way you are taking things, that is not the right way. And yet violence will not solve anything. So please. That's what I say. We were met with serious hostilities and violence at the NDC headquarters. As I speak now, board members who were part of the delegation are psychologically traumatized. Reverend Edujemfi said their purpose for being at the headquarters was to sit with the party leadership to discuss the allegations of election malpractices made by the NDC and to find a way to peacefully resolve the differences for the sake of the country. The board were, however, able to meet the leaders of the NDC after the incidents, who were later cooperative. Inti board nature say after youth ni bi ebu omu wie kra no still omu tumi ni mpanyinfo no etena asem mpanyinfo no eji omu fel so. But unfortunately for the group, much could not be discussed as members of the board were traumatized by the incidents and will need ample time to regain composure before any discussion can proceed. So this is the story coming through. Peace Council members attacked by NDC as they visited their headquarters. It is not good. It is not good. Nekredia why I was a worker. Mr. Mo among so my didn't say more media, and I want my didn't say move media just because I'm saying the truth. No, well, you can continue. In Diabo, Zade Jabo ye Juma, Zade Jabo ye Juma, like all the some people are funny. Hey, if I could have a bomb me do or comments now say, just or person trace only me. Hey, wabebo media kasa or comment na so person trace only me. Wo bo media a friend in the fear bosom just because he supports NDC and initially no and some American no just say what person be use my platform no na make say or say or accuse me say me MPP new. Just what person be use my platform no na make say ane ye wi aba no ye wi adi mi hu ye say ye wi also say me make say ye wi. Afrians are more demo pink sheets. I've seen some pink sheets be in the eastern region. We share pink sheets. A year collation center now. And the figures now a collation center. And now embra transfer echo EC office. We share figures now. We be going to say yes. Figures no SSI. Yes, I have seen all those things. And then mama babonti ababeka say well now I understand NDC mo claims no. Madam Fubi, one also say our cast NDC, me na on social media say NDC for adia mu ye yenye. I'm a power in fact ahomachi on also friend make them say boy. Me nso mehu nyama ne bisisi ade mati NDC for na say. Me nso sa me ko share nyama no and then go social media. Omo na wo cast NDC for mo asem nko nia. They are now saying say well they also understand NDC for wo mo nsem nti NDC for emfa asem nko court. And no na me nso me be kan yo. And no na me nso me be kan say well evidence and na mepe mo the evidence na ba isi na kasa so ababonten abetre say yes errors in calculating the declared results inti na kra na tre say NDC mo asem ye de and that's all isi na admit no and tre say NDC mo asem ye de and that is all na dia bo a wo bebo media enkosi aga wo enkosi huti